Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play American Truck Simulator with an Xbox controller. First, ensure your Xbox controller is properly connected to your computer, either through a USB cable or wirelessly via a compatible adapter. Once connected, launch American Truck Simulator and head straight into the game's options menu. From there, you'll want to select the Controls tab, which is where we'll begin the setup process. Now let's configure the basic controls. Within the Controls menu, select Gamepad as your primary control method. For smooth driving, assign your steering to the left analog stick, allowing for precise adjustments. Next, map your acceleration to the right trigger and braking to the left trigger, mimicking a real vehicle's pedal layout. This setup provides an intuitive and immersive driving experience. Moving on to advanced settings, you can assign camera movement to the right analog stick, giving you full control over your view. It's also crucial to fine-tune your steering sensitivity and nonlinearity. Experiment with these settings to find a balance that feels natural and responsive for your driving style. Don't forget to map essential functions like your horn, wipers, and lights to the face buttons for quick access. To truly enjoy American Truck Simulator with your Xbox controller, practice smooth steering and gentle acceleration. This will make your truck feel more realistic and prevent jackknifing. Experiment with the various in-game camera options to find the best view for different situations, like parking or navigating tight turns. Finally, if your controller supports it, enable force feedback for an even more immersive experience, feeling every bump and rumble of the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.